People call them it is a very tasty, but I have never tasted it. Anyone wants to try now? This tasty worm. Anyone wants to try? Okay guys, now no making of any sound. No sound now, no noise and no sound, no noise and no sudden movement, okay? Just look at the worm.
ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ
Did you guys see what they did? They spitted the water. So these fishes are called as a archer fish or a spitting fish. The bow and arrow, so that's why they are called as a archer fish. These fishes can spit up